we are here at this glorious spot. One of my favorite big spots to fly and test stuff because nothing will get destroyed. Hopefully, even though I have a gift for destroying things. So today I'm going to tell you about why analog is better than digital. And none of you can win this argument because analog, you get a decent VTX for 50 bucks, okay? Digital, $200. Every time you want to be able to see stuff, $200. Digital is the worst. There's more latency, and people say that they can't feel it, but you can. I promise you, you can. Digital is very much like being in a relationship with someone that's way too hot for you. Every time, they go out, you're worried they might be cheating on you or hooching around, but that's what digital is like. Every time you fly, you're just like, oh no, my $200 piece of machinery that's gonna break and then I'm not gonna be happy anymore. But with digital, 50 bucks and you can just fly, be carefree, not worry, just rip it apart. And know that even if everything goes wrong, even if you lose it, even if it breaks, you're gonna be able to replace it for a mere $50. And that is what I call good. That's just a fact. Today, we're going to be testing out a new quad that I acquired. So first we have the Pachray, my good old faithful Pachray. But in the last couple videos, it wasn't really looking right. It was like rolling around like the stuff. So I got the new firmware on the SkyZone 04Xs, so we're going to see if that's any better. I also took it apart and made some cords shorter and made some soldering jobs better. Not like tangled anymore, it's all just beautiful and short little cords. Yes, very nice. Then we're going to have one of those Diatone GTRs that was custom built by someone, and I traded him for like a table. I added a nice little capacitor on it. And it's going to be my first time actually trying out a drone that has these kind of propellers that aren't the T-mount. And it's going to be my first time flying one of these. And they used to be super popular back in the day, but they don't make them anymore. The Diatone thing. I never realized that these actually have a 4-inch base plate. So that is thick and strong. And it's quite a bit heavier than the other setup. So we're going to be testing out those things. Thank you for joining and coming along for the ride. Don't forget to subscribe. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Yes! Woo! Who is that good-looking guy? Oh, and mamacita, ¿qué te pasa? Yes, mommy. Oh, yes. To be careful. Woo! Okay. See how this feels.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
Hola, mamacita. Feels very interesting. Let's see what we can do with this. Oh my goodness, we're breaking out. And say hello to the little doggy. Very nice, very nice. Oh, it does not. It's okay. I don't know. It feels nice. Oh, look at the birds. Hola, birdies. How do you do? Woo. Woo. It's not super smooth. Low battery? What are you talking about? Ooh. Say hello. Who is that? That is not mommy. Ooh. No, no, no. No, thank you.
Okay.
That's nice. That is nice. Am I supposed to take it down to 14? Or to 14.5?
What? So this is the new one?
Yeah.
What is it supposed to be?
It's just a 4S, little 3-inch. It flies okay. Couple $100.
So your cable.
What?
The cable you got.
Yes. But I got a couple setups, so very nice. Ooh.
And he just gave you $400.
Well, what do you mean? We're recording, Mama.
What? You need to be doing what that man's doing now.
Running?
Up and down the hill.
Ooh. Oh, yes. We're doing good. We're running out of power. We're coming back home. Feels okay.
This one your favorite?
Yeah, this is my favorite still. This is the reigning king until I make my own. So anyways, I was having issues with this, but now I cleaned it up, so hopefully the feed is a lot better. This is only 200 milliwatts. Ooh. This one's lighter. Yes, this feels so good. The lines do not look very nice, but like this just like, woo! The feed does not look good at all, though.
What?
It doesn't look very nice, the feed, but like it just, the way that this drone feels is just so nice. It's so smooth. Oh, it's lighter. No, it's lighter. It's like 20 grams lighter. I wonder if I switched the motors on the other one, and then the propellers too, but if it would be different. Woo! I'm the king of the world. I love it. Is that a person or those people? Ooh. Woo! There we go.